Okay, this video is how to find the files that are taking up the most space on your computer. And you want to do this because that way you can find the large files, and within a couple clicks you can free up, a couple gigabytes of space. Whereas if you look just, go blindly, it takes forever to delete, 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 delete. Okay, so now we're going to go to download.com. That's where you can get a lot of really good free software. You can also get trial versions of software as well. But download.com, and then we're going to go to get a free program called TreeSize. There are two versions of TreeSize. One's a pro version, which you pay for. One's a free version, so TreeSize is free right here. And we're going to go and click download now. So this friggin' thing is away. Alright, we'll just go around it. Okay, download now. And just go click save. Desktop, it's fine. Sure, I just downloaded a second ago, so it'll download. And if you don't have, if you want, you can either go here on the desktop and double click right here. That's the file TreeSize, just clicking that to set up. Or you can just click over here for Firefox. It'll just the download window, click on open, then click on OK, and then it'll install it. So it's here's a wizard to install it. Click next, next, click quick launch, sure, next, and then finish. Launch TreeSize, yes. README file, don't need it. Finish. Okay, it's going to launch right away, and it's going to start right away. And so here's a C drive. I have 20 gigabyte partition for C drive. Another partition I have, 110 gigabytes. So all the space, most of the space is being documents and settings, which is usual. And it'll see the username, plus sign. And for me, I have a lot of email. Thunderbird, that's 2.5 gigabytes of email. It's a lot of email. But you'll probably have, like, your My Documents folders might be your largest if you don't have your My Documents folder on another partition like I do. So it'd probably be better if I show you the My Documents because it's easier to see. So I'm going to scan my other partition, my F drive, and that's where My Documents folder is. And as you can see, it is scanning that folder, and you have My Documents right here. So click on the plus sign. Let's say for audiobooks, click on the plus sign again. You find some things you have listened to over and over again, you don't need anymore, and then you can just delete it. So once you find the files that you don't need anymore, you can pretty much, you can either go here and click delete, or if you want to go to the single file, because it's not really going to show you the files, the single files, you click out of there, then you're going to go to start, go to all programs, go to accessories, and then go down to Windows Explorer, and that allows you to explore your Windows, explore your computer. And over here, usually it defaults to My Documents. And so you just go in here and you find the the folders and the files. Let's say audiobooks. Double click on that. And let's say Eat That Frog, whatever. You don't need that anymore. So you right click and delete. Delete. Or you highlight it and then click your delete button on your keyboard. So that's pretty much the way to do it. And you can find the files. And to double check, you click on here and go down to details, and it shows you, okay, 37 megabytes. So, that's an okay file. But you want to find large files, so that's why it's good to have the TreeSize up and just look for the large files. Okay, or the folders that have the largest, the largest files, then you go inside the folder, and then you go over here, and then make sure you have details selected, and that way you can see which files are, taking the most space. And if you have many files in there, you can go to let's go to details, and each one, see how they're not really in order of size. Just click on size twice, and then you'll have the largest file up top. Okay, but it'll kind of screw up the order of the songs. So if you want to go back and have the order, click on that again. Click on name. Okay, so that is how to find the largest files on your computer, so you can clean up a computer pretty rapidly. And remember, if you like the video, go ahead and click on subscribe to support the site. And also, don't forget to rate the video. Even if it's a 3 or 4, it still helps.